Hey everyone, welcome home to Safe Haven. It's Brittany. So in today's video, we'll be going through some of the top listings of land being offered for sale in some of Kingston's premier communities, like areas like Kingston 6, Kingston 8, and the Stony Hill and Red Hills area. So if you're interested in that video, stay tuned. So as you know, I've been doing a video series in which I've been calculating the total for building materials and prices in the Kingston area. But I thought to myself, if persons are interested in building, obviously before we even get to buying the materials, you would like to have an idea of what land costs in the Kingston area. So that's what I'll be doing in this video, and of course in future videos we'll be going on to different communities, lower priced areas, countryside, tourist destination side of the island. So don't worry guys. Let's start off by looking at some listings that I saw online. So the first website I went on was Sagicor Properties. So let us look at this listing for 20 million Jamaican dollars and see what it's looking like. So this plot of land is 9,900 square feet. It's 20 million Jamaican dollars, or US $133,111. Now the description states that it's located at the foot of Jacks Hill, which we know is a prominent community in Kingston. It's flat, 9,900 square foot of land, which is flat and slopes towards the gully at the back. Take a drive with your contractor and see the possibility of this property. And these are all residential lots that I'm going to go through with you. We can do future videos about developmental lots, but this one is primarily for residential. So I'm liking this land because you know you have houses to the sides that are already built, well-established community. It's flat, so it's going to be really easy for you to build, get things going. It's an adequate space of land. The roads in the area look nice, and of course, as I said, it's a prominent community or near a prominent community, so you are good location wise. As you know, these types of communities in the Kingston 6 and Kingston 8 area, they are surrounded by like great amenities, shopping opportunities, plazas, everything that you could possibly need at the tip of your fingers. Alright, so I was saying that the only drawback to this ad for this piece of land would be hearing about a gully. Just would want to go there with like a contractor just to get an idea to see like, is it a situation where it's like a deep gully, it's polluted, whatever. But for the area, I don't think it would be, because as I said, this is a prominent community, schools located around, shopping plazas, close access to everything you need. So because of the well-established area that it is in, I don't think it's a gully that's going to be like polluted or anything bad, or probably a neat alleyway. So yeah, that's the only thing that I'll be concerned about with. So guys, I have the links to these plots of land down below, so you can always reach out to the listing agents, schedule your viewings and so on. So pay that in mind. So let's just look at our second piece of land. Alright, so now this one is a bit more pricey, and this one actually can be used for like building your dream home. Now this piece of land is listed for 400 USD, $464,000, or 69,716,000 Jamaican dollars. Now it says, this is the description: 64 acres with a panoramic view. Editing Brittany here, it's 0.64 acres, not 64 acres, 0.64. I just misspoke in the video. Of the capital city of Kingston, the largest city of Jamaica, heartbeat of the world, located on Tavistock Terrace, Barbican Heights, Kingston 6, St. Andrew. This gem is within an hour from the Norman Manley International Airport, Kingston downtown, and less than 30 minutes from New Kingston. Now, Lot 1 is accessible from the sought-after neighborhoods of Millsboro Avenue, Jacks Hill, and Kingston 4 and 6. It's in close proximity to the major shopping areas of Barbican Square and Liguanea. Now, where world-renowned medical care, education, from kindergarten to tertiary, local and international banks, and exotic Jamaican food, pastries, coffees, all of that, entertainment and nightlife. And it's ideal to build a dream home, as I was saying, or for an investor to maximize his or her investments. Location, location, location. Welcome to city living backed by the Blue Mountains with a magnificent view from the hills to the Caribbean Sea. Don't hesitate. Alright, so the area, so this is a lot being sold in this area, and the lot size is 27,998 square feet, right? So I like this area. As you can see, you have a beautiful view from here. The sunset, trust me, like when you get into those areas, the sunset out there is like no other, right? Especially also at night when the city lights come on, it's so beautiful. The view, like the view really, really is good. You're in a great area. You have the mountains behind you, the city all in front of you, the plain of like Liguanea plain, everything super accessible, great area. It's a gently sloping land. Can't work with it, you know. Can't work with it. The land is not so bad, man. You can't work with it. So yeah, the view is what really will sell this land to, and the area, of course, that it's in. But the view, like you're gonna see all the way out to probably like the Kingston Harbor from here, a little bit of ocean view, full on city view, a bit of nature. Again, as I said, you have the mountains in the back. So this one is a win-win. Definitely can see like entertainers or persons, prominent persons who got the money building their dream home here. It's really, really beautiful. Alright, so the third piece of land that I'm going to show you today, I found on the website for Coldwell Banker, and they are offering this piece of land valued at 11 million Jamaican dollars, or USD $73,211. Now the description, it says it's perfectly priced residential lot, approximately 3/4 of an acre, located off Norbrook to Woodford Road, Kingston 8, in close proximity to Manor Park Plaza and Manor Center. Which we know, Manor Park has, supermarkets, restaurants, places to shop and all that. Very good area, and it's really close to Norbrook Drive. You're gonna see that on the map that I put up on the screen. Now, this area, I like the price. I think it's reasonably priced for this, like the size of the land that you're getting, the location too. So yeah, this is a good one, guys. And as I said before, it's being offered by Coldwell Banker, and of course, houses in that area do hold their value. Like these areas that I'm going to show you, the homes there hold their value. Great place to invest, buy your dream home, and so on. So yeah, I really like this one being offered by them. So you guys can just check it out. Tell me what you think down in the comments below. The fourth piece of land sits on 15,313 square feet. All right, and this one is in the community of Norbrook, Rainbow Crescent. This is in Kingston area, so just as the one before, around the same area, right? So this says this is where you would build your dream home, with 1/3 of an acre, amazing view of the mountain, awesome lookout on the city and ocean, ideal location just for you. This one is priced at 28 million Jamaican dollars, or 186,356 US dollars. Now I like that this community is already like developed, established. You have lots of houses around. You're going to have a great view, and your neighbors won't be obstructing your view, neither will you be obstructing theirs based on the shape of this land. So yeah, this one is a good one also. Like space is there. You can see there's a lot of like nicely built houses already in the community. The only thing I'm looking at is these roads. Like this road don't look good for a community like this. You have a great view of the city, the mountains, and probably based on where it is, you may even get some like ocean view of the Kingston Harbor and so on, wherever you may be located, or you may just get like city and mountain view. So this is really beautiful. Also being offered by Coldwell Banker, and you know their listing agent is there. So yeah, this one you can definitely check out. Again, in the Kingston 8 area, just as before, Norbrook, you know, close to Manor Park, all those great places, really convenient, really nice community to live in. All right, now let's take a trip up into the Red Hills area and let's look at this plot of land that is being offered for 11 million Jamaican dollars or 73,211 US dollars. Now, if you are familiar with the Red Hills area, you know that there is a view to be had, and it says that this is 10 minutes away from the foot of Red Hills, so still accessible, you know, still not too far out based on being 10 minutes away from the foot of Red Hills, if you understand where that is. So, you know, not so bad. It has a gentle slope with an awesome view of the city and parts of the hills. Ideal for building your dream home. Now, if you've ever been to the Red Hills area, if you haven't been there, I'm going to tell you that the views there, breathtaking. Breathtaking. There's actually like a lookout point and everything from there. Breathtaking views of the city, especially at night. I love seeing it at night or at sunset when the lights start to turn on. You can see the Kingston Harbor, so you have like a water view, ocean view right there. The city lights, some mountain views too, because you're going to see like all the way back up to like Liguanea, Long Mountain, all of that. So it's just absolutely beautiful, the view that you will get in the Red Hills area. The land size is 18,763 square feet. All right, again located near the Red Hills area. Well sought after community. As you know, the area is mainly known for like persons who want like extreme privacy and so on. You don't want to hear the hustle and bustle of the city noise. This is the area for you, and it's like flattish, gently sloping, not bad. It's not going to be, to me it looks like, it doesn't look like a super hard or area to work with or piece of land to work with. So yeah, this one is being offered by Victoria Mutual and their agents. So again, you know, you can contact them, use the link down below. All right, so this is also another property I found on Victoria Mutual Property Services website, and this is actually under offer already, but you know those things are not like finalized. It's being offered for 13 million Jamaican dollars or US $86,522. All right, the description states, this residential lot boasts a picturesque view topped with serene beauty. An ideal place to build your dream home with more than a third of acre of land, flat with boundary walls already erected, flanked with beautiful executive homes on either sides. This lot is ready for construction. Very few lots are available, so do not miss this opportunity. And yeah, to some extent that is true, because areas like these, you don't see land being offered there all the time, you know. So it's good to jump on these things when you do have the cash. And as I stated before, you know, homes are already built around your house. You're not just going to be out there by yourself. Well designed, large, nice size homes are already built there. The land itself, there's like a little gentle slope, but nothing too hard to work with. Fairly flat. You do have some trees that you may have to get rid of right there, but still a very good piece of land. And of course, you can see will also have somewhat of a view of the city too. So this is another great offering, 13 million Jamaican dollars, not bad. So you can look into it. All right, so the last piece of land we're going to talk about is a lot that is being offered as a part of like a community development that is coming along. Now, the areas are already subdivided into different lots. There's seem to be like no houses there so far, so it's going to be all newly built houses. So they're offering lot 13, which seems to be like a little corner lot right there at the bend of the road right there. So it looks like a bigger lot than the others. It's 10,888 square feet. Now it says, wake up at Whitcomb Estate, Kingston's most exclusive subdivision of residential lots. Introducing lot number 13, measuring approximately 10,888 square feet. Only a precious few lots still available for purchase, and every site has a view to die for. Whitcomb Estate is for the discerning house hunter who wants to make their vision for a dream home come to life in Kingston 6, the city's most coveted zip code. For a prospector, site visit, construction, call your agent. Alright, so again, this one is going back to the Kingston 6 area. You're going to have amazing views, and it says all houses that will be constructed in this developmental area will have great views. We'll see about that, but yeah, as you can see, this is a really beautiful view of the city and also of the mountains. Great view. The area seems to be really good. About this one, it is under contract, so you can consider that if you're looking towards purchasing or whatever. But still, as I said, you know, those things are not always final. It may go back on the market and so on, but just so you have an idea. And it did say that a lot of these lots are already gone, and guys, this sometimes true, you know, sometimes true. These lots do move really fast. As I said, you don't always get the opportunity to buy land in this area of Kingston 6, one of the most sought after areas in Kingston. So yeah, if you want to jump on these deals, go ahead. I will link them in the description box below. So that's it for today's video, guys. Please do tell me in the comments how you feel about this video series or idea that I have going on here. Was this video beneficial to you? Did you enjoy it? Don't forget to like, share this video with someone who's looking for land, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so that you're the first person who knows when I upload a video. All right, guys, so bye.